Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video we'll show you how to use featured stickers on Instagram stories. Instagram has created a set of themed stickers ahead of the International Women's Day. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use themed stickers. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Swipe right or press on your profile's picture in the top left corner. Once the story camera opens, take a photo, record a video, or upload a visual from your camera roll. After that, click on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now, the featured stickers related to the Women's Day you can see at the top of the stickers selection. Select the one you like and press on it. Don't forget that you can resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen. If you want, you may also use filters, draw or write something on your story. When your story is ready, hit the Send To button and share your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use featured stickers on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.